Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a review of the jigsaw puzzle that I got for my son. You might wonder why I've taken up such a silly product to review, but if you have a child at home, I'm sure you know how important it is to engage them with some activity or the other, at least during this lockdown. This is a 2-in-1 jigsaw puzzle, very affordable, and you know they deliver all across India. You can actually order this online. Also in this video, I have shown you how my son uses this jigsaw puzzle to improve his concentration, hand-eye coordination, and to keep himself occupied. And most importantly, I use these jigsaw puzzles to teach him addition and subtraction. You will be amazed at the way he does addition and subtraction at the tender age of 3. So if you have children at home and if you are worried about their schooling, or if you don't know how to go about homeschooling when it comes to complicated mathematics like addition and subtraction, then do continue watching this video. You will really be amazed at the way how my son does it using jigsaw puzzles. So let's get into the video. Wow, what is that, Rayu?
Old MacDonald.
Old MacDonald, baby. First, let's look at this. What is this? What are the animals present in this box?
Hen.
Hen,
Duck.
duck,
Dog.
dog,
Horse.
horse,
Cow.
cow,
Sheep.
sheep,
Pig.
pig,
Cat.
cat. Oh my god. See, all the animals are present here, and there's a very cute poem written for you. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Next.
If we are here.
And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. Cow எப்படி கத்தும்? Cow எப்படி கத்தும்?
No, it's not for there.
Okay, he's saying he's feeling shy. Alright, so we'll move on to the puzzle. So this is the McDonald's Farm Poetry Jigsaw Puzzle. As you can see, this jigsaw puzzle helps children to develop problem-solving skills, spatial awareness, and hand-eye coordination. It is a 32-piece double-sided puzzle from Prem Ratna Toys. This is the backside of the box, and this shows us what are the key teaching areas of this jigsaw puzzle. The contents of this box includes a poetry sheet along with double-sided printed 32 pieces puzzle. The picture of the puzzle that is present inside is printed on the box so that you can check it out before buying this product. When you open the box, you can see that all the puzzle pieces are kept neatly in a plastic cover. It has a poetry sheet inside which contains the pictures of the 2-in-1 puzzle and also have the Old MacDonald's Farm poem. This is one of the most favorite poems for Rayu, and I'm sure this is the same with your kid as well. So let's keep this aside and quickly jump into assembling this puzzle. Okay, so first which animal you're going to do?
Pig.
Pig, okay. Wow, okay. Then? Wow, okay. Wow, amazing, Rayu. Super.
அப்ப இங்கயா?
அங்கெல்லாம் அப்புறம் வச்சுக்கலாம்.
நெக்ஸ்ட் தவுதா வேணும்.
Okay. Super. Come. Move the cow to its place. Next, which animal do you want to do?
அப்ப இதையா?
Okay.
EIGP.
Correct. What's the spelling of cow? What's the spelling of cow, baby?
CUW.
Correct. Wow, amazing. How do you know that? Amazing. Okay, now we'll join the sheep and the pig, okay? You can join it like this. Join. Yay! Now you can join the cow and the sheep. Duck should come on top. இங்க இப்படி மேல இப்படி ஜாயின் பண்ணுங்க. Amazing. Cow should come this side.
எடி மாத்திட்டேன்.
Okay, super. Yay! Super! It's so cute. So, what are the animals? Let's say, what animal is this?
Hot.
Louder.
Hot. That. Pig. Duck. Sheep. Hen. Cow.
Got it! Clap your hands. Got it. Okay. The most amazing thing about this 2-in-1 puzzle is that you actually get 8 different puzzles of 4 pieces each with different animal pictures in it, so the child can learn the name of animals, the color and even the spelling of these animals. And when you turn it the other side, you get a single large puzzle which shows the Old MacDonald's farm, which has all the animals in it, so they can actually learn about the farm atmosphere and the uses of each and every animal in the farm. So as I said, this is the Old MacDonald's farm, and this is exactly the picture that is portrayed in the box as well. So you get exactly the same puzzle pieces inside, which is really exciting for the child. And you also get 8 different small puzzles of 4 pieces each, as I already said, with cute animal prints on it, which is also exciting for the child. Now when you put back the puzzle inside the box, I would request you to take the puzzle back in the same order, so that next time when you want to set it up, it will be easy for you. Or if your child is old enough to do it on his own, then you can shuffle it according to your wish and you can put it back. I usually do this anyways, even if we shuffle it or not. I always pick it up in the same order and keep it neatly inside the box. So the next day, if I want to set it up quickly to feed Rayu his breakfast or lunch, then I do it very easily because it's in the same order. Or if he wants to do it himself, I just shuffle it up for him. Okay. Who's this baby? Who's this? Oh my, what is this vehicle? What is this? Huh? Mango, huh? What is this fully? What is this? Tree. Okay, what is this object? Windmill. What is this? Sun. What is this? Horse. Hen. What is this? Farmhouse. Cow.
Farmhouse என்ன பண்ணுவ?
இந்த அனிமல்லாம் போய் சாப்பிடுவாங்க. What is this? Fence.
Fence.
Once they are done with the puzzle, make sure they put everything back into the box safely. It is important to cultivate this habit in children so that they will be responsible about their own items. I've also got some addition and subtraction puzzles here, which is really useful when you want to teach the kids mathematics. So let's first start with addition, because subtraction will be a little complicated for the child to understand, because my child is just 3 years old now. So first let me tell him I'm going to remove these puzzles. So the puzzles are like this. You can give this to your child and make them count, and when they arrive with the answer, they can put this back and form this together. Okay, so I'm just shuffling up all these addition materials. Okay, Ryan, see here. First you need to count. Okay, this is 7 plus 2. Okay, what is the answer? Count. How many are there, baby? Count here. Count the honey beans.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So where's the answer? 9. Correct. How many honey bees are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 irukka? Then you can put it together. 7 plus 2 enna?
Equal to 9.
9. Correct. Okay. Very. Okay. Okay. Now how many flowers are here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Plus 4.
Plus 4.
Count the 4 also. 6,
7, 8, 9,
10. So what is the answer?
10 and Chitana. 10.
Correct. 6 plus 4 is what?
10.
10. Correct.
Football.
Now we'll do this subtraction. Okay.
7.
Okay. 7 minus 5. Okay, remove 5 from 7. இதுவும் போயிரும். அந்த மாதிரி கவுண்ட் பண்ணுங்க.
இது போயிட்டு.
This black and white will go. Brown and blue will go. This football and this football will cancel. So how many remaining?
2.
2. Where's the answer? 2. Correct. Keep 2. 7 minus 5 is what?
2.
புரிஞ்சுதாமா subtraction?
Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 plus 4. Add பண்ணுங்க.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 8, 9, 10.
11. Where's the answer? 11. 11 animals are there. Correct? 7 ல 5 minus பண்ணுங்க. 7 ல 5 minus பண்ணுங்க.
இது போயிடும். இது போயிடும். இது போயிடும். இது போயிடும். இது போயிடும்.
அப்போ மிச்சம் எத்தனை பால் இருக்கு? எந்தெந்த பால்லாம் ரிமைனிங்?
2.
Correct. So 2. Yes, correct, baby. Clap your hands. Did you understand, baby? Okay, good boy. This 2-in-1 puzzle costs about 285 rupees and I bought this on hopscotch.in. They do not have many such puzzles in stock, so if you really like this, then make sure you buy this as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. See you again in another useful video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.